Hobbiters! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Hobbiter Owen on our Extra Math Challenge. And our Extra Math Challenge for today is all about permutation. In how many ways can first, second, and third prizes be awarded in a contest with 10 participants, provided that only one can occupy or win each places. Okay, so we will draw 3 boxes to represent the first, second, and third places. So sa first place or sa first box, lalagyan natin ng 10. So bakit 10? Dahil all participants has a chance to win or to occupy the first place. So sa second place, 9 na lang. Bakit 9? Dahil may isang nanalo na or naka-occupy na sa first place. Ibig sabihin, 9 na lang na participants ang natira. So, ganun pa din sa third place. So, 8 na lang. Okay, so since it is asked that in how many ways can first, second, and third prizes be awarded in a contest with 10 participants. Okay, so kukunin natin ang product ng tatlong numbers na ito. So 10 times 9 is 90, times 8 is equal to 720. Therefore, there are 720 ways can first, second, and third prizes be awarded in a contest with 10 participants. So proceed tayo sa another problem. So, paano naman kung 20 participants ang lalaro or sasali sa contest? So, ganun pa din ang procedure na ating i-apply. Mag-draw ulit tayo ng 3 boxes to represent the first, second, and third prizes. So, 20 dahil lahat ay pwedeng manalo. So, there are 20 participants in the first place. So in the second place, 19 na lang dahil may isang nanalo na sa first place. So sa third place, ganoon pa din, 18 na lang. So since it is asked that in how many ways can first, second, and third prizes be awarded in a contest with 20 participants, i-multiply natin ang 20, 19, and 18. Okay? So 20 times 19 is equal to 380 times 18. Okay, so 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 6 is 30. And 1 times 38 is equal to 38. So we add natin. So bring down natin ang 0. 4, 8 plus 0 is 8, and 6. So 6, 8, 40 ang ating answer. Therefore, there are 6,840 ways. Okay? There are 6,840 ways can first, second, and third prizes be awarded in a contest with 20 participants. So, paano naman kung there are 4 prizes na may award? Okay? So, paano kung first, second, third, at fourth na prizes ang may award? So, maglalagay lang tayo ng 4 na boxes para i-represent ang first, second, third, and fourth prizes. So, first, second, third, and fourth. Okay? So, 10 participants lang ang ating kukunin upang madali. Okay? So, sa first place, so ganun pa rin. 10 dahil lahat ng participant ay pwedeng manalo. And dahil may isang nanalo na, So 9, may dalawang nanalo na sa first, second places, ay 8 na lang. At 7 na lang dahil may tatlong nanalo na. Okay? So, dahil ganun pa rin ang kanyang question, in how many ways can first, second, and third prizes, or first, second, third, and fourth, okay, first, second, third, and fourth prizes be awarded in a contest with 10 participants? So, i-multiply or kukunin na natin ang product ng apat na numbers na ito. Okay? So, 10 times 9 is 80. I mean, 90 pala. Okay? 10 times 9 is 90. Times 8 is 720. So, 720 times 7 is equal to 14. 7 times 7 is 49. So, ating answer ay 5040. Therefore, there are 5,040 ways can first, second, and third prizes be awarded in a contest with 10 participants. So, that's all for today. If you enjoy the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.